We got another video on the HESSAIRE Portable Cooler. Now this is the swamp cooler, evaporative cooler. We're going to be trying ice with it today. I've got 2 bags so far. Let's get right into it. Now I've got 2 other videos of this thing out right now. So far it works pretty good for us, especially in our area that we're working in. I have had a few comments of people asking how well this would work in like a car and stuff like that, or an RV. I think it would work great in an RV. I think it would work very well in a car. I just don't know how to go about setting that up, besides like if you've got like a table or something, because this needs to be outside, at least the back of it. So the back portion of this, where the media is, it needs to be facing outside. So if you've got like a table set up on the outside of your car, and then you set that on top of it, or you can even set this up in your seat, roll the window down, have that back of it facing out, so it's drawing hot, dry air in, because you need to be in a dry climate to use this thing. Like I said, we got 2 bags of ice. Break this up. We're gonna throw it in the tub and see how this thing works. Now, right now it's 91 degrees in here. 91 degrees, 24% humidity, 1:25 o'clock p.m. Now we're gonna throw both these bags in here, and we're gonna see how well it cools down, because I've never used this much ice before. In the first video I used like half pound, something like that. I can't really remember, but I got 2 7-pound bags, so 14 pounds. We're gonna try to throw both those in there, see how well it fits. It's got halfway on water, so we're about halfway on the water level. We're gonna throw both these bags in here real quick and see how that does. All right, so we've got this on prime right now. We've actually been having it on the prime setting for about 10 minutes or longer. We're gonna flip these clasps back, fold this back. Try and throw both these guys in here. Throw these both in here. Get this thing going, because it's hot as crap in here. All right, so I can already tell I'm not gonna be able to fit that other bag, even though we were halfway on the water level. But we've got that other bag, so going off of other people's comments about how fast ice melts in this thing, we've got another bag on deck. So I'm gonna fold this back. We're just gonna straight turn it on. Now the setting I've got this on is on the high fan and with the water drop. So it's actually pumping the water from the bottom, from the water pump, and it's still soaking the back of the media. So we're gonna crack this door open, push this back to draw some dry, hot air in through the back, and then nice cool air should blow out the front. So we're gonna start our timer right now. It's 1:30 o'clock, 90 degrees in here, 26% humidity. Got it going on high. I'm actually going to be working on 2 other videos. We're replacing the ignition coil in this guy, Husqvarna weed whacker, and also I've got new tool kits sent to me by HESSAIRE Plus, but I got a video coming out about that and the weed whacker. So I figured take this time. We're going to go about an hour, so about 2:30 we'll cut back in, and actually we'll do 2 o'clock. We'll check back in at 2 o'clock. We'll check the ice, we'll check the water level, we'll check how hot it is in here. See, it's 89 right now, so it just dropped a degree. But yeah, we'll check back in here in about 30 minutes, check the water level, see how much ice is melted and the temperature, and then we'll go from there. All right, so 1:58. 91 degrees in here. Don't know how accurate that thing is. Somewhat cooler in here. It's hot as crap outside right now. It's like 85, 90, something like that. We're gonna check the ice. I can already tell the water went down. See that the water level right here. Not even sure how much more ice I can add to this thing, because I can definitely tell it's melted. So after 30 minutes, there's like no ice. Okay. So we're gonna let that run a little more to deplete some of the water so I can add the rest of this bag. So far, this is not looking very well, especially when it's this hot out. So go on the highest setting with the prime, still soaking the media in the back. We're gonna check back in at 230. It's now 92 degrees. I'm not sure exactly how accurate that thing is, that thermostat, but we'll see. So 222, temperature's just going up, which it is getting more into the afternoon, which that's around the hottest time of the day. 95 degrees out, almost halfway on the water. I'm not even going to try and add that other ice bag. I'm about done working in here. We're about to go on vacation, so. But it's not bad in here. Like I said, I don't know the accuracy of this thermometer or thermostat, but I mean, it's not horrible in here. It's bearable. Still is pretty hot, but if you get in front of the breeze, like I can feel the breeze from here, it's not too bad, but I don't know. This hot out, it's better than nothing. But if you're looking for something to get it more comfortable in here, I definitely go with a dehumidifier at least. And the nice thing too about a dehumidifier is that you can use it in humid climates. So if you're on the east-west coast, whatnot, those things would work perfect for that. But in our case, we're in the Mountain West. It's dry up here. So this thing does work better than what it would in more of a humid climate, but like I said, it's better than nothing. It's definitely more, it's bearable in here. It's not where I like it to be, but I think that'll about do it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, leave a like. Hope you consider subscribing. See you on the next one.